Hello everyone and welcome in today's tutorial where I'll be teaching you about class templates. So to get started, let's simply write template class and let's write the letter T. It's a good programming practice to write class templates or function templates using letters because in C++ programs when you contribute or when you work on one, you will see that no one uses actual names, they used letters. So moving on, let's make a function called ognema. And in this function, we will have two variables, first and second. Now in our public access modifier, we are going to call the constructor, so ognema, and we will have two variables of the data type that we add for our template, for example, A and T. And here what we're going to do is we're going to set first equal to A and second oops to B. And underneath this we're going to make a function called bigger. Perfect. When we want to use this function, what we need to do is we need to define this class template again. I don't know why, don't judge me, the creators of C++ made it like this. So t-ognen, also we need to do this so it knows that we are working with the type template t from the class ognen, and we are telling it that we work with the function bigger. So I'm not ognen, ognema. These names confuse me even when I write normal code. So now we are going to return which variable is bigger. So first, if first is bigger than second, return first, else return second. Perfect. So when we go back to our program, we write ognema, and as you see, we write this here, but when we are writing our object, we need to put the data type that we are working with. Example OO, this means ognema's object, and we are going to add value of 69 and 123, and we're going to print out oo dot bigger. Perfect. Now when we run this, we see that 123 is bigger than 69. So let's run through once again what we did. So you see we have here, we made a template called T. We made a class called ognema and we put two variables, first and second. And in our public access modifier, we made a constructor. We passed two arguments, A and B, with the data type T from our class template. And here we set first and second equal to A and B. And down here we made a function called bigger, but we actually run the code of this function after this class. But after this, we firstly need to assign the template to create the template again. And here what we did is we used our class template and we returned it after the name of the class. And here we said that we want to use the bigger function from the ognema's class. Here we returned first. If first is bigger than second, return first, else return second. And in our main function, what we did is simply if we made a object with the type of integer, because we need to put what kind of data type we are working with. And here we're console logging bigger, and bigger was just a function that said if the first variable is bigger than the second, print first, if not, second. In this situation, the second variable is bigger than the first one. So when we run this, we have 123. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one.